Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to walk you through the steps on how you go about transferring money out of your Cash App to your bank account. This is called cashing out, and this is going to be the process on how to withdraw money to your bank account. So what we want to do is from the homepage of the Cash App is go down to the bottom left-hand corner, and down there, it's going to show you how much cash you currently have in your Cash App account. If you don't have any money, then there'll be a little picture of a building in this bottom left-hand corner, but we're going to click on this area down here. And that's going to take us over to our cash balance. So to cash out and withdraw those funds to our bank account, we want to click where it says cash out. Now you need to make sure that you have a bank account or a debit card linked to your Cash App so that you can make this transfer. And you can do this down in this area. For me, it says linked accounts. If you have not already linked an account to your Cash App, then you'll be able to do so in this area. But if I open up my linked accounts, it shows my linked debit card, my linked bank account, as well as a linked credit card. So I'm going to go back to the previous page. Once you have that linked account that you want to transfer the funds over to, you click where it says cash out, and then you can select how much of your available funds that you want to cash out. So let's say maybe I wanted to cash out $10. And you can see down here at the bottom, it gives me an instant option, which is going to have a 25-cent fee. If I click on that, and then that takes us over to the confirmation page where it says $9.75 was instantly deposited to my bank account. Of course, the $10 that I wanted to transfer and then the fee of 25 cents taken out of that, that leaves us with $9.75. So then down here at the bottom, you click done. And you're also going to have the option if you want to cash out. And if you didn't want to pay the however much fee is listed here for the instant option, you can also do a standard cash out. And to do that, you just click on the standard option right here. It'll take a little bit more time, but then you won't have to pay a fee in that instance to transfer the funds to your bank account. So I hope this video was helpful walking you through the step-by-step process on how you go about cashing out of your Cash App balance and withdrawing those funds to your bank account. I appreciate you guys stopping by. Consider subscribing to the YouTube channel, and I'll catch you back here next time.